Onion shampoo for hair. Natural origin that concentrates beneficial nutrients for the hair. It is believed to stimulate growth, reduce hair loss and revitalize to reduce excessive hair loss problems, dryness and breakage, among other hair disorders. Medium red onion 350 milliliters of shampoo, of the preferred brand. Get a heavily scented shampoo that will mask the scent of onion. Once you have it, chop the onion into small pieces and put the application mode. A tablespoon of shampoo and apply it all over the hair and scalp. Let it act for about 5 or 8 minutes while you massage. Repeat your application 2 or 3 times a week for about 3 months. Then let the hair rest for 1 month and repeat the treatment. This shampoo may be irritating to people with sensitive scalps. Therefore, before using it in its entirety, carry out a small test. Thank you so much and subscribe to the channel.